Anyways, hi guys! Welcome back to another episode of
7 Minute Sundays.
7 Minute Sundays. Habang pauwi kami ngayon, naisip namin na mag-film na lang ng 7 Minute Sundays. So, for today's
7 Minute Sunday topic,
pag-uusapan natin ng about sa Pilipinas!
Filipinas or being Filipino.
So, being Filipino or
Dahil
sa Pilipinas. Dahil ipinagdidiriwang natin ngayon ang Philippine Independence Day.
That's right.
Pinagdiriwang.
Bayang magilyo, perlis na silanganan, alam na puso, sa rin mo buhay.
Kabisado pa niya, guys. Anyway, so ang topic natin ngayon, yun nga, anything about the Philippines or pagiging Pilipino, tatak Pilipino. So, ano ba?
So let's start.
Ano ba masasabi mo?
I like na nakaka-proud sa akin si Hidelin. Hidelin ba yung pangalan? Si Hidelin Diaz. Kasi she won gold. And you know, parang dun ko na feel yung wow, I'm so proud of like being a Filipina. Like I've never had so much pride for being a Filipino when like before that. Kaya yun lang na naka-proud yung mga ganong moments. Like when you see another Filipino person excel, it's inspiring, you know, because you get to see them and then you have this sense of like, oh, I can be like that because they're like that.
Totoo. Guys, saan ba naman kayo nakakakita ng nabahaan na, nabagyuhan na, nasira na ang bahay, pero tumatawa pa din? Pinoy lang yan. Nagiinuman pa sa baha.
True, magsiswimming pa.
Nagsiswimming pa sa baha. Diyos ko, iba. Very resilient yung mga Filipino din talaga. Kaya, at saka kahit saan panig ng mundo, may mga Filipinos na talaga.
True. Yun pa, yung isa pa, na parang ang saya din na maging Filipino kasi anywhere you go, you will find someone that's Filipino. And kahit na wala kayong anything in common, you have one thing, you know, and it's being a Filipino. And I think for the bigger part of everything, Filipinos help Filipinos. You know,
Totoo.
not always. There are Filipinos who will choose not to help you. Pero just like in the bigger picture, I think kung nasa boiling pot lahat ng mga kultura, yung mga kakultura mo yung hahanapin mo kasi yun yung may something in common ka.
True, totoo. At saka, kahit naman na sabihin natin ilang thousands of islands or isang archipelago ang Pilipinas at watak-watak ang mga lupain ng Pilipinas, nagkakaisa pa rin ng mga Pilipino kahit na may iba nagkaaway-away or pero sa may mga panahon talaga na mga certain moments na nagkakaisa pa rin ng mga Pilipino. Right?
Yeah. And yeah, like yung sinabi ni Kat kanina na Filipinos are so resilient. I am super proud of that, of like the Filipino people na yun nga, yung kahit anong mangyari, you know, like Filipinos will always find a reason to smile or like just be strong for whatever reason.
A reason to push.
Yeah. So, yeah. And nakaka-proud din yung mga OFW and yung um, mga immigrants na, you know, like they strive to be more
Yeah.
and to start over in a different place so that they can send money home to the Philippines, or you know, stuff like that. Like that's something that is,
You can be proud of.
yeah, like not a lot of races have that, you know, that connection to family, like the really really strong connection with family na you get to live with your I don't know, grandparents growing up, yung mga ganun. Kasi yung kultura ng ibang places,
Ibang lahi.
parang pag matanda ka na, pag 18 years old ka na, wala ka na sa bahay. Tapos yung mga matatanda, usually pupunta sila sa homes for the aged, or they have their own homes and then they just live there. Pero ang mga Pilipino, you take as many people as you can in the house, and then that's how it is, you know. And sometimes that can be toxic, but we're not gonna talk about that. Pero yun nga, diba, like parang super close-knit ang mga families na Filipino, and that's super nice, and that's something to be proud of.
Oo, minsan na lang. I mean, may iba naman siguro mga lahi, especially Asians, na ganyan din. Pero iba ang kultura ng Filipino pagdating sa family. Iba yung level ng sakripisyo ang nabibigay ng isang member ng family para sa family niya.
Totoo.
Hindi yung parang dahil may nabigay ka na, okay na yun. Hindi, parang next level sacrifice yung binibigay ng pamilya. Although sabihin man natin, may choice naman sila. Hindi, may choice sila, yes, oo. Pero part nun is mahal lang talaga nila yung pamilya nila. Iba yung pagka yung ties na meron tayo sa pamilya natin. Right?
True. What other things?
Ano pa ba?
Actually, nung last week nag-dinner kami kasama nung tita ko na nag-watch sila ng play na Hamilton sa London. Tapos ang nag-play kay Eliza. Ang nag-play kay Eliza is Rachel Ango, and
Super nabilib sila.
Oo, super nabilib sila. Tapos sinabi niya na parang naiyak talaga siya kasi you can feel the passion and yung talent ni Rachel Ango. And even though I wasn't there, I could only imagine how proud I would be to be Filipino watching Rachel Ango, to be singing and being a lead part in Hamilton, like a major play, you know. And like that's something to really be proud of too, like yung mga talento ng mga Pilipino, because it's unbeatable in many ways.
Totoo, ang dami talagang mga Pilipino ngayon na sobrang sikat dahil sa talents nila. And I think madami pa talagang mga talented na mga Pilipino na hindi lang talaga lumalabas.
True.
And
Or wala pang space para makalabas
para
sila.
i-showcase
Kasi
nila yun. Oo.
ngayon pa lang na welcome yung representation in Hollywood, in like in theater, in anywhere in the world. Ngayon pa lang nagiging parang mas mas prominent ang representation ng minorities and Filipinos or Asians being one of them.
Totoo.
Yeah, so whenever you see those stories, or like whenever you watch someone or hear someone who has some Filipino background, it's like, oh wow, like I'm so proud of being a Filipino because look at that, like that's my blood, you know.
Kahit konting dugo lang na meron sila na pagka-Pilipino,
Yeah,
nakaka-proud naman.
Olivia
din talaga.
Rodrigo ba yun?
Yeah.
And then sino pa ba? Bruno Mars is kind of Filipino, isn't he?
Shay Mitchell?
Shay Mitchell? Oh, really? He's also from Vancouver, so that's like twice as proud. Sino pa ba?
Nicole Scherzinger.
Nicole Scherzinger, her? You guys know her? Probably not, but she's an R&B singer. Yeah, she's won Grammys. Sino pa ba? There's so many now.
Madami. And yung sikat na stand-up comedian, si Jokoy.
Jokoy, yeah, exactly. See, like, there's so many, and there's so many of us, and there's so many of us in many different places, and it's, I don't know, that's like, that's pride.
Totoo. At saka, pansin nyo ba, kung bumibisita kayo sa bahay ng, or kung saan man kayong panig ng lugar, pag may nakita kayong Pilipino, or pag bumisita kayo ng isang bahay na nagmamay-ari or nakatira Pilipino, grabe pagka-hospitable.
True.
Parang,
Yeah.
perfect example yung kaibigan namin si Ana Buena.
Oh my God. Kulang na lang i-offer niya sa inyo yung lungs and liver niya. Kasi pagpasok mo, bubuksan niyo na yung fridge. Anong gusto mo? May Coke? Gusto mo ng ice? Gusto mo ng... May grapes ka? May gusto mo ng tinapay? Like, it's like, what?
Lahat. And then, diba dati, ewan ko naging joke ata to dati na pag may bisita, lumalabas yung mga magagandang porcelain na na plates ni na lola at lolo. Ganyan. Ewan ko.
Yeah.
Tsaka, iba ang humor ng mga Pilipino. Iba ang nakuha ni Kim yan.
True. And you know, the last thing that I'm proud of is the food. Filipino food is just so good. And it's not, you know, not a lot of people appreciate it yet, but they will. Like, there's a shift that I'm seeing in like North American countries that they're wanting to try Filipino food. Not only Filipino food, but Filipino street food. It's not exotic anymore. It's something to try. It's more like kind of nagiging parang ano na siya, Chinese food na let's try this, you know, even though it's kind of not the usual. Parang within reach na siya sa palate, like palates ng taste ng mga ibang lahi. And that's great because Filipino food is so good. Like, the common favorites are lumpia, Shanghai, Filipino spaghetti, adobo. Jollibee is well known and well loved by all like other cultures. So, yeah. Ikaw, one last thing.
Sarap. Ako, iba ang for me, iba ang strength ng mga Filipinos. I think, yung tapang at lakas ng mga Pilipino iba. Tingin ko lang.
True. Kung di nyo na alam, si Mami, ginanon ako dati. Kaya niya ako.
Uy, diba? Iba talaga. Iba. Emotionally, mentally, physically, iba. Ewan ko dahil siguro bias ako dahil sa akong Pilipino. Pero, guys, iba kayo, iba tayo. Kaya,
we are strong. We're independent.
yes, very strong, independent na mga individual.
True.
Pero, yeah.
So, yun lang naman for today's
Yun lang naman.
video.
Kung kayo guys, mag-share kayo kung anong nakaka-proud na nyo bilang isang Filipino.
Oo. Anong nakaka-proud sa inyo bilang isang Pilipino?
Diba? And Happy Independence Day sa Pilipinas! Pilipinas. Mabuhay
True.
ang Pilipinas. Mabuhay ang
Mabuhay,
mga
Filipinos.
Filipinos. Mga Filipinos.
Yeah, true. And happy birthday, Mama Belen.
Happy birthday, Mama Belen. Sana ay masaya ka sa pagdiriwang sa iyong birthday ngayon. At sa lechon na meron kayo ngayon.
Yeah.
So, that's it for today's episode, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Mag-ingat kayo lagi. Bye-bye.
Please subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.